All right, so I had to jump on really quick. I got somewhere to go, and so I wanted to jump on. So it's been a whirlwind so far since after work. So, dang, I wanted to tag. If somebody jumps on, let me see if somebody jumps on real quick with me. I'm gonna have you tag somebody in the group. Shane, you here? Yo, what up, Mikey? Hey, if somebody can tag, I forgot to do it on the video, and I'm not all good, and I don't want to mess up the video. Trying to do it while I'm recording, but a guy joined the group named Brock Bandy, B-R-O-C-K, Bandy. See if we can get him on here. Because I wanted to tag him and you, Mikey, because this is his pod. He sent me a nice box of peppers, and this is his first year growing pods. Look at this thing. It's a Gator Jigsaw. So he sent me a box of pods earlier in the season, and I already demolished those, right? And then I just got back in the States, and he sent me another box of pods with some flakes, and he sent me some gorgeous peppers. And again, you know, he and I have been talking for a while, and super cool guy. And I got him to join in Cap Crew, and I meant to tag him on this. So if somebody can, that would be cool. Just see if maybe he's around. I told him I was going to review one of his pods today in the crew, but I figured I would just throw this in there. This is again, this is a Gator Jigsaw, and this was grown by Brock Bandy. And then, you know, I'm classic, man. I'm just going to go with the old French's, you know. I like French's mustard. And again, no entry, Mikey. I just thought this was a cool idea, man. I love mustard, and I love mustard pods, and I just thought it'd be fun. And that way give someone else an opportunity to win, man, because you hooked me up with the Cookie Crisp. So let's get this going. I'll be talking all night. Whew, smells good. Yeah, quick wardrobe change. Quick location change, and then I was gonna do this a little bit later after dinner, but my friend, she's like, we're gonna go somewhere. So I figured, why not? Let's just do this now. French's. Come on. I'm going to open her up a little bit and get it. All right, that's what we're going to do. Let's kill that placenta a little. Oh, what up, Jacob? No comments again, man. I don't ever have comments anymore. Get it in there. There's going to be a lot of mustard in this thing. Ooh, smells delicious, though. I bet this is going to be good. All right, a little more, folks, then we'll get the show on the road, I promise you. Just for a little effect. Oh, that's a lot of mustard. There we go. I'm going to roll with that. Whew. Smells delicious though. Cheers, Cap Crew. Cheers, Mikey, for the brilliant idea of a mustard gusher, mustard pod, mustard gusher. Cheers. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. That's a lot of mustard. Wow. It got down toward the bottom. Could have used a little more, but we did good. Mikey. Bro, this is amazing. It's a lot of mustard, but again, like I said, I like mustard. Barn hog, what'd it do? They're one of my favorite varieties of pods too. A little pepper burp mid-chew. I love it. There it is. Woo. Bro, that's delicious, Mikey. Wow. Thank you, man. That's what I'm saying. I was talking in a different video that I did. It might have been the one yesterday with the cookie crisp. You know. It was. Like, I've put hot sauce on ice cream, cake, pie, different shit. There's one for the birds. Obviously, I've used mustard on my brats with, you know, sliced serranos or habs, whatever pepper it might be, ghost pepper, whatever. But never really combined it in this fashion. And so I think, you know, that's one of the other reasons why I really enjoy this group. Because it's a super cool idea, and I'd have never done that. I would have done a gusher with hot sauce, you know what I mean, of course, but I'd have never done that before. So let's see if this burn, where this burn goes for just another couple minutes, and then I'll jump off here. Again, no comments. Kind of sucks. It's still fun burning with you guys, but I don't know. Sometimes we say, like you guys say, people say, you know, 5 minutes and then they'll pop up. I feel like I'm pretty long-winded, man. And I feel like my videos are usually pretty long. I haven't had comments in probably the last, I don't know, long time. Anyways. So I've had a lot of those Gator jigsaws. And it's hot. I mean, it's really warm. That's a warm one. Brock, if you catch this video, again, man, thank you. Again, for being a first-year grower, like, those are mean, dude. And all his pods have been mean. But I think that the mustard really helped mask the heat of that pepper. Because I've had those from Brock this season before, even unripened ones, and they felt hotter than what that one felt like, even though I have a really good all-around mouth burn. I mean, it's pretty much everywhere. But I think that mustard really masked the heat just a little bit. But using a true mustard pod like a Gator jigsaw and a mustard, just perfect. All right, I'm babbling. I'm out of here, guys. I appreciate everyone. Cap crew, thank you. I'll see you guys next time, huh? All right.